Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Like today we're doing puzzle number 7. We start with this box here. We're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3, 1 here, so 3, 6, 3, 6, and that means that our 1 has to be here. For this row, we're missing a 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here and a 2 here, so this is our 3. 2 and a 5 here, so 6. 5 here, so 2, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so 3, 4. 1 and 2 here and a 3 here. So that means this is our 4, and that makes this our 3. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so that makes this our 6. That 8 means this is our 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got that 1 there, so 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 7 here, so 2, 8. 3 and 7 with this 8 means this is our 2, 8. Got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row now, we're only missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. I don't see any help, so 6, 9. For this column, we're only missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9. And no help here, so 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 6, 8. And the 9 comes down here and makes this our 6, 9. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.